Weave is by far the tool that has made us as successful as we are. My name is Dr. Jeffrey Ellis. I'm one of the partners in Belaray Dermatology, a practice specializing in all aspects of dermatology and oculoplastic facial reconstruction. I'll tell you, from when I started, I would have never imagined that we'd be where we are right now. Our first practice was 3 laptop computers stacked on top of a rolling cart from Staples. We'd have a phone number that would forward either to a cell phone, or a lot of times my parents would answer the phone for us to try to help make appointments. Before Weave, we've had several traditional phone systems. Phones are obviously necessary, but they're really limiting in so many ways. And as the practice grew, that became more and more evident. So we were looking for all different ways to take the burden of everything that's related with phones off of us. We're looking for a voice over IP system. We wanted a way to text patients. We want patients to text us. Weave's been a game changer. We've really been able to convert a majority of our standard day-to-day communications into texting. Patients cannot be happier because of that. I was kind of like a kid in a candy store. I could not wait to kind of look at every single feature that we've offered and brainstorm with my team here about how we could possibly incorporate it. Weave has something called call intelligence. This is like a whole other level. You can have AI analyzing every single call that happens and giving feedback about any question that is relevant to ask, using Weave to make schedule changes, to fill in, to make cancel, to make adjustments. Before Weave, we didn't really have analytics. So just having analytics is so valuable to us. It gives us benchmarks, brings things to my attention that might not have been on my radar. Our reviews, we went from 20 to over 2,000, a very high rating, 4.9. Everything that is a pain point about communicating with a traditional office or hospital system is eliminated. Not a day goes by when a patient doesn't specifically call out the fact of how great the communication is with our office because of texting. They don't know that that's Weave behind that technology, but that's really what they're complimenting every time they say that.